Hello, welcome to Fist Council. Today, Yaspower124 and myself will be dueling in Shindo Life. I'll be using Arahaki Jokei and he'll be using Ashen Storm, the two god bloodlines out of 5, I'm pretty sure. 5 or 6. So, let's begin the first round. Starting it with that. I used to teleport on it. Alright. Yeah, that's not gonna hit, sir. That's not gonna hit. I'm not with that hits. Shred. Shred. Ah, my clone hit him out. God. That is very not appreciated. Oh, it got cancelled. Okay, let's not get hit by that. Ah, that shreds. That is a very shreddy. Get him here, get him here, get him here. Yes sir, yes sir. I used Satori Blade on me. Okay, that was a bit weird. My health is going. I'm GG. That was pretty good. Alright, so let's do round 2. Oh yeah. Alright, so starting the second round, we'll be using Z-modes. So he'll be using Lightning Cloak and Ashen, and I'll be using Brigade Spirit and Arahaki. And let's see how this one turns out. Probably a lot different from before. Let's see. Get him with that. That didn't hit. Thankfully that did not. Oh, that didn't hit either. Lucky me. You're lucky. Got him with that. So your Gates is OP. Gates is OP. Okay, that shreds. That shreds. I don't like that. So let's not. Let's stay away from that. Oh, auto dodging. Let's see. And now you're stuck. Now you're stuck. Not auto dodging. I just mean dodging. You thought you can come up like that. You can't, sir. Ah, I love that auto tracking. Oh, that is fast. Just... Where is he? Oh, there he is. No, you can't get him with that. Oh, what? How did that work? And GG. So that was pretty good. That was pretty fun. So yeah, this isn't really about what's better, Arahaki or Ashen Storm. This is just a fun video. And I hope you enjoyed. So, subscribe for more content just like this. That'll be very appreciated. Also put a thumbs up if you want. You don't have to, but it does encourage us. And yeah, that's I'll see you in the next video.